This is a great tool to teach all things computer and computer related items. Hi, welcome to Schulte Sweetie's Homeschool YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm a mom of 3 girls ages 12, 9, and 7. We are in our 8th year of homeschooling. In a few of my other videos, I have mentioned that I'm on the Timberdoodle blog team, and so every once in a while that means we receive some products that they have received from other companies, and we kind of use them and share about them and let you know how they are. So today's product is actually all on my computer, so I'm going to show you my computer screen in just a little bit. But I just wanted to share about tech essentials from CompuScholar. So if you don't know anything about Timberdoodle, they kind of partner with these companies and kind of bring together different curriculum and things from different companies to make a complete set of like a kit for each grade. They usually have a non-religious and a religious curriculum for each grade level that you can purchase all together. You can kind of adjust it if you want to and pick and choose. So this Tech Essentials is in the 6th grade curriculum kit. We'll link it all down below so you can go to Timberdoodle's website and check it out for yourself. So Tech Essentials is a course online, and you pretty much get to learn all things computers. I will go through like what the specific things are, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a brief overview of it. It is for 6th through 8th grade. Of course, you can adjust that a little bit if you feel your child is ready early or if you need it a little bit later on in high school. CompuScholar, so there's a video lesson and then there's a lesson text and usually some like activity type things, some do yourself type things, and then there's a quiz. So that's how it's set up. You don't need to install any like actual programs or anything like that. This is like an online based, so like you just go to a website and you sign in. They have each child has a sign in and then a teacher has a sign in. So you have that available. And then if there are, sometimes they might need to do like documents or something, so that they will link you, they will like try to get you set up to go to like, you know, Google Docs or a spreadsheet or something like that. So you don't have to pay anything extra to get more programs into your computer. And then, like I said, there is a teacher's account, and that would, you have control over the grades. You can check out answers and different things like that if your child needs it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my computer screen and just kind of walk you through what it kind of looks like, and hopefully you get a better idea of this. So the first thing I wanted to show you was on the Timberdoodle website, and how it is $120 on their website. It's for ages 11 through 13, and it's in that 6th grade non-religious kit up at the top in the right-hand corner. It shows the kit that it's in. So now we're moving over to the CompuScholar website, where I have logged in for my daughter, and it has like all of the different things that they can do with the student menu over there. Then I'm going to click on the syllabus here and go through that with you. It gives like an overview and how you can kind of teach this. What I like about the syllabus, it does kind of give you the days that you would need to kind of complete those chapters. So each chapter does have multiple lessons in it, and it says each day 45 to 60 minutes, so 3 to 5 hours a week. So we've got file management, spreadsheets on the first 2, and you can see the activities off to the right hand side. You have word processing, multimedia, online research, presentation. So they have activities and different things that they're learning in each of these lessons, these chapters. The next chapter 7 is group presentation project. Now that might be a little tricky if you have one student doing this and not multiple. But then you have coding concepts, program flow, algorithms, software projects, digital citizenship, and chapter 13, the last one, is digital safety. So now I'll show you, I'll just click on one of these and show you what lessons and things are like. So like I said, they have multiple lessons in each one. So chapter 1, file management, has lesson 1, and you have a video. So it's just a few minutes long usually for these videos. And then you have lesson text. And this is like a bulk of the lesson. I think the video more introduces it, and then the lesson is more in this lesson text. And then at the bottom it has work with me. This one is classwork management, and it tells you kind of what you need to do in this activity. And then there is some vocabulary down here. So that's the end of the lesson. And then you have a quiz. So this one has been done, but you can reattempt quizzes if you want to as well. So you can see now the different lessons. You have understanding files and folders, managing files on your computer, file associations, managing files in the cloud. File management is the activity, and so you will have instructions and the activity to do there. And then you have an exam for that chapter. So that's all for just chapter 1. And then you can go into chapter 2 and just do the same thing. This is all about spreadsheets, and it will go through that as well, and has the same setup with lessons, with each including a video, a text, and a quiz. You will have a bigger activity assignment at the end, and then another exam at the end of that. I'll click on the activity for chapter 2 and show you just kind of what that is like. It's a pretty big activity that they're expected to do, and it gives you the instructions. And so they are working on spreadsheets and creating their own spreadsheet, adding charts, adding formulas, and then publishing a report. And then there's some different questions and submitting your work and everything like that. So quite a bit more for that activity in the chapter. So here is one more look at all of the different chapters that it goes through. There are 13 chapters in this course, and it's really well set up and a great option if you want to have your child learn different aspects of computer tech essentials. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that you got a feel for what CompuScholar, the Tech Essentials class, is like. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I will talk to you later. Bye.